Lucas, what sound does a dog make? What sound does a cat or a cow make? Yeah, moo.
Good.
What sound does a monkey make? Ah, ah, ah. What sound does a giraffe make? Yeah. What sound does a horse make? What sound does a snake make? What?
That's not what a snake says.
What sound does a snake
What
make?
does a snake say?
Yes.
That's right.
What's the new one we learned?
Um,
Oh, you just kicked the phone, Luke.
what does a
What does
elephant? What does an elephant say?
Yeah. What
That's
sound?
right.
What sound does a daddy make?
Dada.
Yeah, dad. What sound does a mommy make?
Dada.
No. What sound does a mommy make?
Dada.
What do the dogs say when it's hot?
Ah.
What do they say when it's hot? Do they pant?
All right, and he's done.